If you want to pull the clean transcript from any public video without needing expensive software or complex text setups, it is actually much simpler than you might think. Let me walk you through this process like I'm showing a good friend, and then I will share a smooth workflow that turns that transcript into bite-sized, shareable clips without the manual headache. First, let us tackle the classic trick for grabbing text directly from a public video platform. You know where the like, dislike, and share buttons sit just below the main video player? In the past, you would simply click the 3 horizontal dots right there and hit the option for Show Transcript. If you cannot seem to find that button anymore, do not panic because the platform has shuffled the interface around a bit. What you need to do now is scroll just a little bit lower, down into the video description area. Tap the button that says More to fully expand that description box. Keep scrolling past the extra details and the timestamp chapters, and look right under the chapters section. You will see a specific line that says Transcript, often followed by a prompt to follow along with the text. Click that section, and suddenly, the full transcript opens up on the right side of your player. The timestamps are usually there by default, but if they clutter your view, just hit the 3 vertical dots inside the transcript panel. From there, you can toggle the timestamps off and just select, copy, and paste that text anywhere you need it. It is nice and simple, but having the raw transcript is really just the starting point. If you are a creator or a social media manager, you know that you rarely just want a massive wall of text. You want bite-sized clips, interesting highlights, and those catchy viral moments. This is usually where people start shopping around for extra tools, looking at options like professional editing suites or simple web-based clip generators. Those tools can certainly work, but each one comes with limitations that can get annoying very quickly. Let me be honest about the common pain points, because you need to understand the context. Some platforms are incredibly powerful and great for text-based editing, but they can be pricey for teams and have a learning curve that slows you down. Other tools are easy for a quick edit, but they get expensive when you scale up, and they often lack deep automation for finding the best moments. And if you're using full-scale editing software, you are spending hours cutting and exporting, which is fine if you love editing, but most creators simply do not have that time. This is exactly why automated AI tools exist, specifically to help busy creators skip the manual labor. These tools automate the heavy lifting by finding viral-worthy moments in long-form videos and slicing them into ready-to-post clips. No more guesswork about which parts to clip or stressing about when the best time to post is. I have seen creators turn hours of webinars, live streams, and recorded interviews into a steady stream of short content with almost zero friction. Here's a practical workflow that combines the transcript trick with AI, and it honestly saves hours every single week. First, grab the transcript from the video like I described, because having that searchable text makes it way easier to identify the exact lines you want to highlight. Second, upload that whole long video into your chosen AI tool, or connect your channel so it can import the content directly. The artificial intelligence analyzes the video and the transcript to automatically identify high engagement moments. It is not guessing, it is actually using pattern matching to see what goes viral across thousands of videos. Third, let the tool auto-generate your clips into different formats, like vertical for mobile feeds or horizontal for traditional viewers. You can quickly glance through the generated clips, tweak a caption, or trim a frame, and you are basically done. No more timeline wrestling, and no more exporting the same file 5 times. Fourth, use the automated scheduling feature, which is a total game changer for creators who want true consistency. It handles the spacing and timing, so you do not accidentally dump a whole week's worth of content at once. Finally, use the built-in content calendar to keep everything organized and visible in one single view. If you work with a team, this is a massive time saver because everyone stays on the same page. Here are a few practical tips to help you get even better results from this workflow. First, make sure your audio is clean, because if the recording is noisy, the AI's highlight detection will be much less accurate. Second, use chapters in your video description, as those act like golden signals for AI tools to create smarter clips. Third, keep it short, because social media favors concise content, ideally between 15 and 45 seconds. Always remember to add captions, because a huge majority of people watch social videos on mute. Also, keep a private folder of your favorite quotes and hooks to reuse later. If a certain line tests well, you can recut it into different variations, like text-only versions or meme-style overlays. Consistency is truly the secret sauce for growth on any platform. Posting once in a blue moon won't really move the needle, but a reliable pipeline of content changes the game. You build momentum, your content gets more chances to go viral, and you do it all without spending every evening at your computer. Also, do not overproduce your content, because the best clips feel like an honest, raw peek into a longer moment. People connect with authenticity, not heavily manufactured advertisements. Finally, remember to keep an eye on your metrics to see which clips perform the best. Over time, your AI-assisted workflow gets smarter because you are effectively training it with your own real-world results. If you want, I can walk you through a live example of how to pull that transcript and slice up your first video. There's no pressure, just a simple demo to show you how much time you can actually save. Let us get your content working harder for you starting today.